Here in Jonesport, they're doing the boat races over here. See the little bridges and everything. Got a little geocache up underneath that little bell that's over there by that flag thing. So cool. Huh. That's a big one too. I just like the design of them.
I know it.
Like they're just, yeah. That's a cool design. Yeah, it's cool. There goes the, yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. You don't want to see Chase down the cord. So, take it, dog. That's awesome. We got it just right.
That's right. It's just all the
First responders?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Racers.
Lean out the window.
You know, you can loose. No, who's that now? That big truck. Yeah. That big one. Definitely cool down here. Ooh, that's loud.
Oh, look at that one. Look at that truck.
Come here, baby.
Chase, look down there. Don't step on the bike. Oh, baby, you're squishing my feet back here.
Get
Chase
up
is trying to get over here. That's a replace.
That's it.
You won't even.
I think that's it. Isn't it?
I'm not going to see how many people we can get with it.
No, no. Oh, right here's another little baby. It's 3 babies. Really cute right here.
Yep, see it. Show, yep. I'll try to get the mama. Hey man, we'll get these things. You ever eat grass?
No, look at that.
Oh, that is good, man. I'll be done. Let me get up in here. I'm gonna try to get up in here and see the trail right here.
It's running now.
Try to get up in here real quick. Yeah. Oh, you flying. Where's that big? Oh, there's mama. There she is. I see her now. Yep. Little grouse is what they are, huh?
Yep.
Little Cape Point trail. There's a little blue marking. And just went over that bridge or whatever. So we'll go up here. Check this out a little bit. Little Cape Point Trail is what this is called. So, yeah, this is it. That's cool. Let's get a little worn down trail. That's pretty cool. Let's see, it goes pretty deep in here. It goes across the whole island.
Hey, hold on before you take it off. I'll already see it. This is right here. Yeah. Gotta pick the camera on.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing the ocean now.
Can you really already see it?
Yep, let me get there.
Make it come down.
Oh yeah, it's not that far. Look. That's the corner lot, isn't it? Oh wait, that's the graveyard. That's over here. You're looking that way.
Where's
You
our
need to turn
house
the camera.
over here?
Yeah. That's Fire Road, isn't it? Or is that the main road?
That's fire. I think.
Yeah, that's right. Huh?
No, that's the main road.
No. It don't go all the way up that high. It'll do like 400 feet, which is still high.
They think it goes to space.
Yeah.
Where's our house? Okay, there's
There's
that's the playground. So that's
There's
our
property
house.
right there.
We're
Yeah.
right there.
Holy
right there.
smokes, that's high.
Yep.
Oh, can you see me waving?
Look at that. Hey, you see it?
Yeah.
Look at Maddie, look.
One of you girls smells.
Look.
Something smells good.
Probably Maddie because she took a shower.
So I'm right at 400 feet now. I'm right at 400
So
feet
if I
now.
walk out, can you see me
Yes,
walking?
make it come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look how high it is.
All right. So if you go straight that way,
That's high.
that's the road that we drive down to go to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
See it.
It's about 500 yards, I guess.
Is it really?
I might be a little bit more now. I don't know.
Try wading to it.
Oh, it's kind of a back.
Look, come on, out here.
Not too bad though.
What you think, Sean?
See it? She sees it now.
Hey,
See it, Maddie?
show hey,
man, it's
y'all look at this. Show the little girls. Y'all look at this. See this?
Check out the camera.
Holy smokes.
See, that's what the camera is looking at right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Yep, there's
Let
the
me
beach.
see it.
Hold on, Shiz.
Behind us over there.
See, that's Fire Road,
Yep, that's it.
and there's the house, there's the shop and the playground, and that's our house.
Whoa.
Watch, walk out into the road, Sean.
Man, look at that. Oh yeah, you better see me.
See, watch.
Yep.
You'll see him. See the little person walking by the car? Keep going. See him in the middle of the road? It looks like a little ant, huh?
I look like Ant Village. Yeah, you look like a really tiny ant.
Yeah, you look like that big.
Like this. You look like
That's crazy. That's how high is that?
That's right under 400 feet.
Oh, I do.
It can go further up, but you know, you just want to be compliant with
Right.
your takeoff point and whatnot, and altitude limitations.
Is it still hovering up there?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can't see it now.
Oh,
man,
you know
I
what?
see it.
I'm gonna try to look.
Man, look how high that is.
I'm gonna look over. Is that island? Where's that island that we go?
Yeah, you can
Which
see
one?
it.
Right there?
It's right
Oh, that's the
straight above
island?
clouds
Ah,
right
look at
there.
that.
You see it?
That's
Holy
crazy.
smokes. That's high.
That's the one that you guys actually walked out to.
Oh, that's
The one
right.
that's closer, this bigger one.
Oh,
They could come down.
hey Sean, hey,
That's the one you walked out to.
Yes.
Sean, look at Bar Island.
Like straight above me.
Sean,
Like
look
you'll
at
see it, huh?
look at Bar Island. You can see Bar Island from here.
That's
Look at
Sandy River Beach, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wow.
the island right
Isn't that
there that you
crazy?
guys went
Yep.
to.
That's cool.
This
Yeah,
is
it
real
looks
cool.
like
Mhm.
cupcake. It's like
Uh-huh.
you can hear it.
Yeah, you can.
Uh huh.
Oh, yeah,
Come
listen.
down and turn to
Okay.
not see it.
I'm trying about to make it come down
I
now,
didn't realize
bud.
you could hear it. Listen.
Did you make it come down?
I'm about to make it come down now. Hold on one second. Let me zero that camera in on the.
The clouds.
That doesn't look very far to the beach that way, does it? If you cut through.
It is
not.
trippy.
Right there.
See?
See now I'm coming down. So now you can see I'm coming down.
Really?
You see it?
You can hear it.
It's coming back down slowly.
Mm-hmm.
It's at 300 feet now.
It's coming down, Chase. I know. There it is.
See it?
The big old eagle come by and just
Don't even say that.
that's what he fears. That eagle we saw yesterday was hell.
I did eagle.
Oh,
That
the
was an eagle
gulls too.
yesterday.
The gulls might do it.
I want to catch it.
You want to catch
We'll
no,
catch
catch
it.
that one. Them blades might chop you
you
up.
landed on the ground.
Yeah.
Wow. Look out. Yes, that was high.
See? Hey, y'all wave at. Hold on. Y'all wave at the camera when I turn it around. Back up now. Watch this. Watch this. Backing up. We're getting further and further away on the screen. I'm gonna fly it over. I'm gonna fly it over the water too
Oh,
a
yeah,
little
there you
bit.
go.
Oh yeah, over the water now. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
And now I'm gonna come straight back. Oh, you can see the waves too. Check that out.
Oh, that's
Now
good.
it's gonna come straight back.
Right back to us.
And bam.
Let's go try to follow it. I lost it already.
Look how fast. Look how fast it's going.
That's crazy, man. Can't even see it.
It's only 397 feet away. I can see the.
Did you stop it or still going?
It's stopped. I'm turning around.
Oh, you're feeling okay.
Mm-hmm. Just getting some. There we go. Just turn it around. I was gonna zoom it back over here now.
Oh, well, there it comes. I see it.
Yep. Just get that beach view.
Man, look at that.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh yeah, man. I can't even hear that sucker out there.
All them waves, man.
Hell yeah. That's good though, because you don't have to worry about nobody fucking with us. The hell, you can't go out here and stuff out here.
Absolutely. So what's the name of that little island right in front of us? Do you remember that one, or did you look it up?
I had a fucking video and all this stuff. It won't show the name of it, man.
Oh, really?
Try again. I know it's in the river. There's Bar Island. Sound like this shows. Look, this is Sandy River Beach right here. Look.
Sandy River Beach?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't have a name for that island, but it does show it.
See us over there now. Going straight over here.
There aren't many trees on it though. Look, little patch.
Yeah. That's it. That's just a little patch.
Little patch. Got me again.
Man, this thing is boogie. This thing will boogie.
Yep, I'm not showing the name of that island. This is Sandy River Beach in Chandler Bay.
Chandler Bay?
Yep. Sandy River Beach off Chandler Bay.
That thing will stop on a dime, man.
Yeah, well, are you still going down?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you just stopped right there?
Turn around now. I don't want to get down too far.
Yeah.
Let me turn this bad boy around a little bit closer to us now. I'm getting better at making it a more smoother flight too, like how I do the camera and stuff,
Right.
and get some really cool shots.
This is where we was going to come.
Hey, man, we can still come out here, man. Yeah,
Still cool.
absolutely.
Is that's another eagle, look.
Where?
See it flat?
Sure enough, yep.
That's an eagle right there somewhere.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I see a little blue sky now, so.
Oh, he just dipped. What?
Did he?
Oh, sorry, Stephen.
Oh, he's on it. He's on that island.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thought he was fixing to dip down and grab something out of the water. Now he's coming back up. Let's see where he went. He might have a nest over there on the island.
He might, man. I
lost
don't
him
get
in
too
the
close,
trees
I
over there.
think.
Yeah, I lost him. I don't know where he's at.
When he come attacking my drone, he might think it's a seagull or something, dude.
That's right.